When it comes to protecting your home, your crawl space is the foundation of everything above it. Encapsulation is the first step. It seals the space from outside humidity, ground moisture, and seasonal air changes that lead to mold, wood rot, and poor air quality inside your home. But sealing alone isn't enough. A properly sized Crawlspace dehumidifier is critical. It actively controls humidity levels year-round, keeping the environment dry, stable, and inhospitable to mold growth even during peak Tennessee Valley summers. From there, structural support matters just as much as moisture control. Steel support beams strengthen and stabilize sagging subfloors and shifting load points, restoring integrity to the structure above your crawl space. And finally, your foundation piers. When cinderblock piers are properly wrapped and protected, you reduce moisture absorption and help prevent deterioration that can compromise long-term stability. Encapsulation, humidity control, structural reinforcement, and pier protection all work together as one system. That's how you don't just clean up a crawl space, you protect your entire home from the ground up. Heartstrong Crawlspace, built to protect what matters most.